Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili beef. First, gather all your ingredients, ensuring you have everything ready. Next, you'll brown your beef to build a strong flavor base. Then, let your chili simmer for at least 2 hours, allowing all those wonderful tastes to combine. Finally, serve it up with your preferred garnishes for a truly satisfying meal. Let's start with the essentials. You'll need about 2 pounds of ground beef, or chuck for a richer texture. Make sure to finely chop 1 large onion and 2 bell peppers. Any color works great. Have 2 standard-sized cans of diced tomatoes on hand, undrained. For spices, measure out your chili powder, cumin, and minced garlic, preparing them for easy addition. Now let's get cooking. In a large, heavy-bottomed pot, brown your 2 pounds of ground beef over medium-high heat until no pink remains. Drain off any excess fat, leaving just about 2 tablespoons in the pot for flavor. Add your chopped onions and bell peppers, sautéing them until they're softened, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Stir in your measured spices and cook for 1 minute until they become wonderfully fragrant. It's time to bring it all together. Stir in your 2 cans of diced tomatoes, any beans you prefer, and about 4 cups of beef broth. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer. For the best flavor, allow it to cook for at least 2 hours, stirring occasionally. Serve your delicious chili hot, garnished with shredded cheese, a dollop of sour cream, or fresh green onions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.